Let's cook some ground chicken. Let's add some onions to this skillet. Next, we're gonna add some sofrito. Add some garlic paste. Give it a good stir. Let's add the meat. I'm going to use this adobo from Healthy Rican. Add whatever amount your heart desires. This one's good. It has no salt and no MSG, and it's all natural. I'm going to add some oregano. Start chopping away. Next, add a pack of 90-second rice. In goes the rice. In goes some steamed broccoli. I'm gonna add some sweet plantains, already diced. Que rico!